Right guys, we're back, and if you haven't already noticed, we've had a productive start to the month of August and we've sold 3 cars already. So the little Citroen C1's away, the Toyota Aygo's away, the Suzuki Swift's away, which means we have to go shopping. So we've been back on the auction, we're back up here at Northern Salvage Yard, and we've actually got 3 to pick up. So we're just waiting on the guys finishing their lunch and then they're going to bring the cars out. But I thought while we're here, this place has had a wee reshuffle and there's a bit of stock changed, so we thought we'd have a wee nosy about and show you guys what's here now. Right, there we go guys, we've had a nosy, there's some pretty cool stuff in here, but our first buy is just coming at the gate now, so let's have a wee look and see what we've bought first. We've got 3 in total, so let's see what comes out. Right, here we go, here's the first one, a little 2012 Hyundai i10. Right, Stephen's just told me that our second one's been brought out. There it is. Wee Skoda Fabia. Nice wee metallic black. Wee bit of front damage there, headlight, wing, bumper, suspension leg and everything looks straight. It's all good. Nice wee interior, got tailored mats and everything in it. Wee touch screen, looks quite good. We're trying starting it.
No, it's got cooling.
Has it got cooling?
Yeah.
Got oil?
Yep.
Nice. We'll just drive this one onto the back of the trailer then.
Yep.
Is that petrol?
Got 2 petrol, yeah.
I thought it was a diesel we'd bought.
Yeah, this is a diesel.
Alright, okay. Cool. Well, it's a petrol then. Right, let's load this up. Only 62,000 miles as well. Starts and sounds decent. No warning lights on. We've got some warning lights for the daytime running lights, but that's it.
Yep.
Right, let's get on the trailer. Right, there we go. Little Fabia is loaded up. Stephen's just gave our third one a wee run up in the yard just to make sure it's alright. It is Vauxhall Astra SRI diesel one, and it's had a wee bump in the back, nothing too major, looks decent enough. Inside wise, 88,000 miles. Looks like it needs a good clean, but it's all present and correct. Nothing looks torn or damaged or anything like that. Right, we're just in the nick of time, the rain's starting to come on, so let's get out of here and get these back to the unit. Right guys, we've got all 3 cars back to the camp. The Astra runs great, drives perfect. The little Skoda drives perfect, obviously we trailered that back because of the amount of damage. The little Hyundai i10. It's had quite a hefty whack on the front. It's a wee bit more than what we thought. We've not heard it running yet because the front end is currently pressed up against the inlet manifold. So what we're going to do is unbolt it, relax the front end, put a jump pack on it, make sure the manifold's not cracked, and see if we can get the wee i10 started. Right, there we go. We've pulled this back far enough, and it looks like the manifold's just been touched by the lock, but it's still complete. It looks like it's not broken. Radiator's mirrored. Throttle body's okay. They've got this big protective metal cage over them, so that's good. The radiator's not quite hit it anyway, but the radiator's definitely been punctured, so we're not holding coolant, but at least now we can start it and see if it's a runner, because we've heard the other two run. Now we just need to make sure this one runs. Now this should be a runner. We shouldn't have too many issues with this. How many miles are on it, Stephen? 27,000 miles. It should be 22. We should be fine. Try to do this one-handed, guys, sorry. 2 seconds. Right, there we go, we're in. Right, Stephen, try that. Has it got aircon as well? Yeah, the fans just came on.
Yep, aircon, 22,500 miles.
22,500?
Yep.
It's pretty dirty inside.
I think somebody's probably been drinking a can of juice when it's hit something.
Or
So.
drinking a coffee or something. Yeah, it's literally everywhere.
It needs to clean.
But no airbags.
No airbags.
That's been quite a hard dent in the front and no airbags.
Unless it was parked and somebody's reversed into it.
Possibly. That's what happened to my Audi. I was parked drinking a coffee and somebody reversed into it. There's no rips or tears in the seats or anything.
Ashtray's completely empty.
Never been smoked in, good. That's an optional extra in these, it's worth a fortune.
Don't know what's beeping.
Probably a coolant warning or seatbelt warning or something. Any engine management lights or anything on?
No, no engine management lights if the door's open.
Happy days.
Yeah.
Radio still works. Perfect. Any goodies? Oh, there's a book.
It's a big book.
There's a book.
There's plenty of pens. So I like the good.
What's in the book?
I don't know what have we got. Assistance book. 10-year protection warranty.
Is that the service and warranty books?
I don't think so. Nah.
No.
Nah, it's the owner's manual. No idea what to do with the
I wonder
service
if
manuals
it's.
and these things.
Wonder if it's an online one.
Well, we'll phone Hyundai and check. Or
Oh.
whoever the seller was.
At least we got a book back. Nice.
Yeah, happy with that, turn it off.
Yeah, good. Yeah, because there's no coolant in it, we better not run it too long. Right guys, so we've got the cars back to the unit, we've had a quick look over them, and now we have to get the parts for them. So we've came down to U-Pull in Inverkeithing. It's probably one of the cheapest places to get decent second-hand parts. So we've got 3 cars to get parts for. Let's go in and have a look at what they've got. So we've been in the yard about 15 minutes so far, and already we've found a Fabia front wing, we've got a bumper off an Astra, and we've also found a black tailgate. 15 minutes in, so what do we need now? Still need Hyundai stuff, a Fabia headlight,
And a wing, wings for
inner wings for a Peugeot 107 or a C1 or Igo, whatever they come off of, they're all the same. But yeah, I think we're going to need some extra wheelbarrows, because look at the nick of this thing. How are you supposed to cart all these parts about with barrows like that? So we might have to go buy this stuff, load it into the van, and then come back in. We found our i10, but unfortunately it's a pre-facelift and no good to us, so we're just having a wee look on the old interwebs and out and see if we can find somewhere else. I don't think, other than that, I don't think there's anything else here for us. Even though it's huge, like, the place is massive. Let's just give you a wee look at the scale of this place. It's huge. Although I have noticed a lot of the stuff that's here now seems to be a lot of crap at the minute, doesn't it, Stephen? A lot of it's got most of the bits robbed off it.
It's been butchered already.
A lot of it's older stuff as well. There seems to be a lack of newer stuff. Which isn't like this place. Normally there's a good range of stock here, but never mind. There's a couple of breakers on the way home. We might be able to stop it and get the rest of the stuff we need. Right, next stop, good old Burnham's Auto Salvage. So I've already phoned ahead. They've got all the stuff we need. Got a price for it, so we're just going to go and tell Graham we're here and go and grab it. Right, we've found our parts car, i10. We've already got the bonnet off. It's a bit tight at the moment with this Mini being here. And everything's solid here, so we can't move anything. So yeah, wee bit tight, but we'll get there eventually. Bumpers off. Just got the core support and the headlights to get off now. So there we go, guys, all the parts we need to fix all of the cars we've just bought in, we've managed to pick up today. Well, most of them. We still need a headlight for the Fabia, we still need a bumper. I think we've got everything for the Astra. We've got a tailgate for the Kia. We've got the front end parts for the Hyundai. We've got the wing for the Fabia. So all in all, it's been a good day going and collecting parts. So now we just need to get stuck into the work, get these cars ready for sale, and hopefully turn a profit on them. So massive thank you again to everybody for tuning in and watching, and like I said, if you like this style of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we are dropping videos a couple of times a week on this channel. And of course, don't forget that you've got your discount links to Infinity Wax and everything in the description below as well. And yeah, as always, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.